Seems like nobody wants to tell you how to start an online business. For the last few hours, I've been watching YouTube videos with this same exact title, and everybody's saying the same shit. Also, they're not even telling you how to do it, and some of them don't even have any experience. That's like me posting a YouTube video where I'm like, did you know that you can make $1 million selling swimming pools? Well, yeah, no shit, probably, but I've never sold a swimming pool. So I said, fuck it. I'm gonna go ahead and just give out all of the information about a real business model that can make you real money. Now, I know you don't know who I am, but my name is Romayroh, and I was one of the first ones to start doing YouTube automation. And with only 3 of my faceless YouTube channels, I have made over $1.5 million. So yeah, that's why you don't know who I am, because YouTube automation is completely faceless. Now, quick disclaimer, I do not do YouTube shorts or any compilations. Now, for those of you who have never heard of YouTube automation or know what it looks like, I'm gonna play a 10-second clip of one of my videos just so we're all on the same page and we all know exactly what I'm talking about.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and without further ado, here at times Joe Rogan lost his temper with guests live. Steven Crowder.
That was it. That video ended up getting 3.8 million views, and that paid me over $19,000 in ad revenue. That was just on one single video. Now, as you can tell, I didn't show my face, I didn't use my voice, I didn't write the script, and I didn't edit the video. And that's because you can do all of that with AI. I am going to show you exactly what you need to create these videos. But first, for those of you who want to know how YouTube pays, they pay per 1,000 views. So once you get 1,000 views, you get a certain amount of money. And that certain amount of money is called CPM. Now, yes, you can control your CPM, but that completely depends on your audience. For example, if you want to start a YouTube channel where you post Minecraft gameplay videos, most of your audience is going to be children. And companies like Toyota and Ford, who pay way more for ad space, they're going to skip over your YouTube channel because children do not buy cars. But if you start a YouTube channel about like vintage Hollywood celebrities, the average age of your audience is going to be relatively higher. I'm going to say like 30 years old plus. And companies like Toyota and Ford love those type of YouTube channels because people who are older than 30 buy cars. It's about what converts better for them. But CPM really shouldn't be something you care about. RPM is actually the important thing because RPM is your cut. And when you join the YouTube Partner Program, the deal is YouTube gets 55% and you get 45%. So if your RPM is $20, that means that YouTube is going to take 55% of that and you are going to get 45%, which is $9. So $9 is your RPM. Again, the only number you should really care about. So if you get 1 million views with a $9 RPM, that means that you're going to make $9,000. Now I know what you're thinking, and a lot of people go for this. And that's because a lot of gurus say this. They say that you should start on a niche with a high RPM. These are niches like crypto, business, finance, whatever, all of that boring stuff. And I think that's a terrible idea, especially for a beginner. The reason for that is because it's way easier to entertain people who like watching celebrities. And also, there's just way more people interested in that. So my advice to you is to start on a niche that has a healthy amount of competition, right? A lot of people love to throw the word saturated around and kind of scare people to not do a certain niche because it's oversaturated. Dude, it's kind of what you want to do. And the reason for that is because your life is going to be way easier. And that's because your competitors are going to be giving you the video ideas. You're going to see exactly what they're posting and you're going to be able to see what the numbers are. So if they have a video that's performing relatively well, all you have to do is remake it. And you're going to need a few things to do this. And this is the entire production process. Now, before I do that, I want to mention something very, very important. Do not worry about this. Okay, this might be a little bit overwhelming if you're a beginner, but it doesn't matter because your job is not going to be producing the videos. When you're doing YouTube automation, you're not an editor, you're not a script writer, you're not a voice commentator. That is all eventually going to be outsourced. Your job is going to be the thumbnails, the video titles, the video ideas, and the SEO. But I just wanted to mention that this is the easiest part. So this is what you're going to need. Step number 1 is you need to create a script. To do this, you can use tools like ChatGPT and Claude. It's very easy to do. And number 2, you're going to need the audio, the voice commentator that is commentating the script you just made. And for that, you can also use AI. And the best one that you can use is 11 Labs. So once you have the script and the audio done, step number 3 is going to be video editing. And this is going to depend on you. Because if you have $15, you can go on websites like Fiverr or Upwork, and you can just hire an editor. Just send him the script and the audio and be like, hey, put this shit together. And he will. Or you can learn how to do it yourself with free tools like Capcut. The 4th step and the last step of production is going to be the thumbnail. This is way more important than the actual video quality. Of course, that's depending on whatever niche you're in. Now, to do this, you can learn how to do it yourself, which I 100% recommend. To this day, I still make all of the thumbnails myself for my YouTube channels because it's literally that important. Or again, you can go on Fiverr or Upwork and just hire someone to do it for you for like $5 to $10. And that's it. You have a full video produced. But again, that's not the main part and it's not your main job. So if you want to start YouTube automation right now, I'm just going to tell you everything you need. You need vidIQ for SEO. Okay, this is going to tell you exactly what tags your competitors used on their videos in order to get it pushed in the algorithm. You want to get vidIQ. Okay, there's a boost version. I think it's like $19 a month. That's literally all you need. You don't need anything else upgraded. That's it. Also with vidIQ, you can add a competitors tab. So if you find a YouTube channel that's in your niche and they're posting really good videos, their numbers are great, you can just add them as a competitor. So every single day to get video ideas, all you have to do is go to your competitors tab on the left side that you will see when you have vidIQ, and it'll tell you exactly what the best performing videos are overall from all of your competitors in the last week, how many views they got, how many views per hour they're currently getting. And this is exactly how you put videos in production, okay? You don't have to sit there and think about the best titles or something very interesting. Just do what everyone is doing and follow the train, okay? I don't care what anyone says about like having to be creative or original. Fuck that. The biggest issue I see a lot of my students have is they come to me and they're like, hey, I have this great idea, or oh man, this video quality, or man, I feel like this script could be better. It's like, dude, chill. It doesn't matter. Because in the last 7 years, I have posted high quality videos and I have posted dog shit quality videos. And I will put my money on dog shit quality videos every single day. And that all goes back to choosing an easy niche. And I'm gonna tell you what those niches are right now. Niche number 1, the easiest of the easiest, is going to be celebrity news. One of my YouTube channels has made over $1 million in this niche alone. Also, a lot of members in my community are in the celebrity news niche, and they're usually the ones that get results the fastest. Niche number 2, that's going to be the WNBA niche, which is super random. I know, it doesn't make any sense. You think that the best one is the NBA? No, it's the WNBA. For some reason, it got a lot of attention, and for some reason, it's performing really well on YouTube. And this niche is relatively new. There's not that many people doing it, but the people that are or are starting off are getting good results pretty quickly. And the third niche is going to be top 10 TV show moments. This is also a niche where I have made hundreds of thousands of dollars. I was posting videos about the TV show The Gold and Silver Pawn Stars, Shark Tank, Undercover Boss, Storage Wars, Hardcore Pawn, oh, America's Got Talent, Britain's Got Talent. And for these videos, all you have to do is make videos like the top 10 most emotional moments on America's Got Talent, and just making random top 10s like that. And these top 10 channels are a little bit more evergreen, and this is also something very important when you're first starting, because if you do a trending niche like the WNBA or celebrity news or anything that is time sensitive, you're going to get results way faster than starting an evergreen niche. In an evergreen niche, you're going to find channels like top 10 TV show moments, because they're not going to go viral immediately or as fast, but they will grow within time. So I just dumped out as much information as I could about YouTube automation, but if you want to learn more and you want to start right now, you can go ahead and click the link in my description or in the pinned comment, and that's going to take you to my private community. And my private community right now is the fastest growing community in YouTube automation, and that's because of the results. So if I switch over to my computer and I go to my wins tab, you're gonna be, oh, someone just posted 5 minutes ago. And I swear to God, this is not planned. I've been sitting here recording. 5 minutes ago, this student just made this post. So for the total, he's made $6,000, and he made that in December. Look at that. That's pretty crazy. It's pretty cool. It's a good feeling. A huge shout out to Carlos and his amazing community for keeping me motivated and pushing me to the next level. I really wanted to make the last month of 2024 count, and I did. Now it's time to level up even more in 2025. Let's make every day, week, and month count. Let's go, guys. Danish, I don't know if you watch my YouTube videos, dude, but you're goated, and I appreciate the words. But yeah, if we go to his profile, he joined on November 9th, and 23 days ago he posted my first month results, which his channel wasn't even monetized yet. So when did he get monetized? 23 days ago. So it took him about a month to get monetized, and then the second month, which is his first official month monetized, he made $6,000. But it's not only him. If we also keep scrolling down on the wins, we're going to see people like Maria, who are not as consistent. She's only posted 7 videos, but you can see that every time she posts, there's a huge spike. She's probably going to be one of the ones that pops off this year. We also have people like Andres. In 48 hours, he reached the monetization requirement. So he got monetized in just 48 hours. And on his 4th upload, his 3rd day, he made $730. Now this post was 6 days ago. I believe right now he's already made over $3,000. But in 4 days, he made $2,100 completely from scratch. And there's so many more results, and you can't fake this. Like, you can create a school account, search each one of these members up, and you can go ahead and ask them yourself. The reason this is one of the fastest growing communities is because the members are getting the fastest results. Now, how is it possible for complete beginners to make thousands of dollars within the first week all the way to 3 months? Well, that's because everything here is almost done for you. Like, I specifically made this for beginners to make money on YouTube as fast as possible. So what makes this community so different, and how is this possible? Once you join and you go to Classroom, you're gonna see this entire section, okay? And nothing here is locked, nothing here is upcharged. You instantly unlock everything the second you join, okay? This is everything that you need in order to understand YouTube. And as you can see by my face here and how skinny I was, I've been recording these since early 2023. Also, moving on to the recorded live sessions, you will also be able to see a replay of all of the live calls. And yes, I go live 2 times every single week where I speak to my students directly and answer any questions that you have or review your channels. These calls are recorded and they're put here for anyone that missed it. The next thing I have is a list of niches. This is going to take you to a spreadsheet with the top 20 best niches that you can start right now. The next thing we have is done for you PNG files. So you can just click the link here and that's going to take you to a Google Drive that's going to have every single thumbnail style pre-done for you. The next thing we have is the views for income extension, which is an extension that I created to facilitate script writing. And I'm going to show you very quickly what this looks like. So once you download the extension, you want to open up this Google Docs link that's going to be here for you, and it's going to provide you our secret prompt to get scripts done in the click of a button. So once you highlight everything, you want to go ahead and click copy. From here, you want to go back to YouTube, and keep in mind, you only have to do this once. You're going to click on the little cogwheel and you're going to paste your transcript. From here, you're just going to click save. And that's it, you're done. So I use ChatGPT, so I'm going to click on ChatGPT, raise my hands, and you will see that it will automatically open up ChatGPT, copy the entire prompt, and copy the entire transcript of the video that I am trying to take inspiration from. But there's also so much more that I'm going to add to this. So if you're looking for the most affordable, the easiest, and the fastest way to grow on YouTube, my community is probably something that you want to take a look at. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. That just motivates me to keep making these videos and giving you guys all of this sauce for free. With that being said, thanks for watching.